Fear is the invisible force that holds you back. It stops you from chasing your dreams, speaking your mind, and living the life you truly want. But what if I told you fear isn't real? It's just an illusion, one that you can break free from starting right now. I know this firsthand. There was a time when fear controlled my every move. I had big ideas, huge dreams, but every time I tried to take action, that little voice in my head whispered, "What if you fail? What if people judge you?" Sound familiar? Well, today I'm going to show you how to silence that voice and take bold action, no matter what. The truth is, fear is just a mental roadblock, not a real obstacle. Here's how to break through it with 3 powerful strategies. The fear exposure rule. Psychologists call it systematic desensitization. The more you expose yourself to what scares you, the less power it has over you. Action step: start small. If public speaking terrifies you, begin by speaking in front of a mirror. Then, record yourself. Next, talk in front of few friends. Step by step, fear loses its grip. What's the worst that can happen? Method: fear thrives on the unknown. But when you break it down logically, you'll realize most fears are irrational. Action step: ask yourself, what's the absolute worst case scenario? 9 times out of 10, the worst outcome isn't as bad as you think. And even if it happens, you'll survive and grow from it. The 5-second rule by Mel Robbins. This is a game changer. The moment fear kicks in, count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. This interrupts fear and forces you into action. Action step: the next time you hesitate, whether it's speaking up in a meeting or starting that business, use the 5-second rule and just do it. Now, here's your challenge. For the next 24 hours, anytime you feel fear creeping in, count down from 5 and take action immediately. It could be a small step, sending that email, making that call, starting that workout. Train your brain to understand that fear doesn't control you. You control it. Fear is nothing more than an illusion. And now, you have the tools to break free. So what's your choice? Stay stuck or take action and change your life? If this resonated with you, hit that subscribe button. I post daily content to help you become fearless, unstoppable, and the best version of yourself.